welcome to Ainur and Irakum. I'm the legal clerk today, and how may I assist you?
So I'm Professor Suresh. I have an appointment with your legal advisors today.
Certainly, Ms. Deepa. May I verify your appointment?
Yeah, sure.
So, your appointment is scheduled for 10 a.m. May I have your identification card for verification? Thank you. Before meeting our legal advisor, may I ask if you have ever done any appointment with any other legal firm?
No, this is my first legal firm.
Okay. Can you wait a second?
Miss Ainur, do you know how many clients you have to consult today?
Give me a minute, I will check. After this afternoon, we will have one client. Her case is about defamation.
Oh, remember we just consult a client about defamation 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, I do.
So what our client name and what do they do for living?
Her name is Miss Deepa. She is a businesswoman. She owns a skincare brand that is quite popular. Her skincare brand called Lumi Glow Skin.
I see. Okay, let's wait her to come.
So, Ms. Deepa, please have a seat while I inform our legal advisor program. Excuse me, Ms. Ainur and Ms. Nadira. Your client has arrived. I've already verified her appointment and ID. So, also she has completed her document.
Thank you, Husna. Please invite her in. Good morning, Miss Deepa.
Good morning.
I'm Ainur. This is my colleague Nadira. We are legal advisors from Ainur and Ira legal firm. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
It's great to see you here, Miss Deepa. How's your company doing?
It's getting worse. Every day I lost my money, my reputation, and everything.
It's okay, Miss Deepa. We are here to assist you today. So before we start our consultation, may I have your client document?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Wow, your brand is quite popular. I think I've seen this product before in TikTok.
Oh, really?
Yeah, have you?
I don't think so, but I would like to know more.
Okay.
So before we discuss your case together, we'd like to brief our legal firm.
Okay, sure.
So I know an Iraq legal firm we actually provide legal service in civil disputes such as consumer matters, family law, employment, and also defamations. So it is our responsibility to explain about your legal rights, and also we will advise you based on the law, and if necessary we will represent you in negotiation courts.
Okay.
Our firm has also handled several cases before involving online defamation and businesses' reputation. Some cases involve social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, where businesses suffer losses because of misleading, and it will be spread quickly. In other words, please be frank and do not hide anything from us, because it may affect the option that we give to you.
Okay, sure.
Okay, Ms. Deepa, before we begin our session today, we'd like to explain an important principle, which, or maybe we can call it a step, which called as client confidentiality. So, which means that everything that you have shared today will be strictly confidential, and this means that we cannot share your information to other persons. Husna, can I have the document? Thank you. This is the document that you need to sign.
Okay, let's say if I decide not to continue with your firm, is it my personal information will be leaked to third party?
Absolutely not. Every information that you share to us today will be fully disclosed and will strictly remain with us even if you choose not to continue with our firm.
Yeah, I see. Now I feel more secure and I feel less anxious.
Glad to hear that.
This is the thing.
We also check our records before today's meeting. There is no such act for the other party that involve your dispute, so there is no conflict of interest, and we're able to advise you if you decide to appoint to our firm. And as we understand that today your appointment will be approximately 25 minutes, I'm afraid that the time is a bit limited, but we hope to fully comply with the case within these 25 minutes.
So Ms. Deepa, to make things easy, our consultation today will be conducted in 4 stages, which is the first one is you are asked to explain everything that happened, and after you finish telling your story, we will ask some related questions, and from our understanding, we will explain about the relevant law, and of course, we will explain in simple words, and lastly, we will also provide some option and also discuss the legal option to you. And if we unintentionally use any legal words that you don't understand, please don't feel hesitate to stop us and ask us to explain further.
Thank you. I'm sure I will because I don't know much about the law and all.
I understand. So how we may assist you today, please take your time to explain.
Okay, sure.
So I own a skincare business. I have been running it almost for 2 years. My business was doing so well, and I always post my business videos and I promote my brands and business on TikTok and Instagram. I also have a former friend who has own skincare business. Unfortunately, her business is not going well as mine. A few weeks ago, we stopped being friends because of some misunderstandings. After that, one of my customer has sent me a TikTok video. Until the customer share, I didn't even know the videos exist. After I watched that video, I realized that the video is uploaded by my former friend. I'm like, she's never directly mentioned my name or my personal information, but she upload all of my screenshot of my business pages and my pictures of my brands, like that. So yeah.
So what kind of words did she use?
She used words like be careful before buying skincare from people who suddenly become famous. Some brands only care about making money. Don't simply trust viral skincare products. She's like didn't mention my name directly, but everyone knew that is my business because she literally showed my brand. So how people didn't know that is my brand and everything?
Have any of your customers ever complained about your product?
No, there's not an official comments about my business product, but some of my customers really cancel their orders, and some people never want to bought products from my business. So I'm really facing the financial problem. It's really lost for me.
I'm sorry that happened to you, Ms. Deepa. May I ask you a few questions?
Yeah, sure.
Do you still have the video?
Yeah, I got the video. See. I also take the screenshots.
Do you have the proof that your customers cancel the orders?
Okay.
So okay, Ms. Deepa, take a deep breath.
Yes, I save WhatsApp conversations and screenshot of reports. My sales lost 50%. It's a lot, right? I'm really sad, guys. I'm really sad.
Okay, Ms. Deepa, it's okay. Has anyone complained that your product actually caused injuries before this happened?
No, I didn't receive any official complaints. But and also she didn't mention any evidence in that video. But everyone knew that that is my business. So many customers lost interest on my business.
Okay. So since your business is a big company, could you tell me a little bit about your employees?
Yeah, sure. My employees literally depends on my business and their salaries. Because of that one girl, a lot of people are suffering right now.
Now, to ensure that we are trying to understand the situation, let me repeat back based on my understanding. So basically, your business is a well-known skincare brand. Your former friend that you had a misunderstanding back then posted a video on her platform saying that your product is bad and not trustworthy, which is not true, as you say, because your customer before this have never complained about your products and so on, which causes your business to go downhill, and which also makes you loses many customers, and having a customer that thinks second thoughts about your products. Am I right?
Yes, the fact is we used to be a good friends before. I know that she literally want to take a revenge on me. That's it.
I see. I understand your frustration, Ms. Deepa. But I believe that in this situation, professionalism is very important. So let us explain further on the legal side.
Thank you, Ms. Deepa. Based on what you've told us, your case most likely involved defamation. Have you ever heard of that term before?
Actually, only a little. I don't know much about defamation.
That's perfectly alright. Let us explain. So basically, defamation involves damaging other person's reputation by making false information about a business or about a person that cause other person to think badly about the other person. The law protects everyone, so if, like you, in your case, she talks bad about your products and your business, you can take legal action because you're losing your customers and you're losing your business basically going downhill. So the law allows you to take legal action if anyone spread false information about your business.
Oh yeah, so it's like defamation is same as my case.
Okay. In Malaysia, civil defamation is governed by the Defamation Act 1957. So this including the legal principles that are developed by the courts through previous cases. There's two types of defamation, which is the first one is libel. Libel is which it was in a permanent form, such as newspaper, Facebook post, Instagram post, or a written publication. And second one is slander, which refers to a spoken word that are not permanently recorded. So in your case, this means that your former friend posted a TikTok video, so this falls under the libel.
Oh, okay. Now I understand much more better about defamation. But I have a question. How I succeed in claiming defamation case?
To succeed in this claim, your case must establish these four elements. So what are these four elements for? In defamation, if your case doesn't fulfill this element, then it doesn't count as defamation. And that is why we say that your case may involve defamation, because it seems to fulfill all these elements. First statement is basically defamatory. So what is defamatory? It's basically it lower your reputation in the eyes of ordinary people and basically makes people want to do nothing with your business. So saying that your product is unsafe and implying that you only care about making money could damage your reputation. And then for the second statement is that it must refer to you. Many people believe that if if the person that makes your business look bad doesn't mention your name directly, you cannot sue them, which is not right, because in the video it clearly shows that your product, your Instagram pages, and then it also shows your products in your page, and it shows in their videos. So it clearly is that it refers to you. The third statement, it must be published to someone else. As you said that it was published on Instagram, so people view, and you say that people share it until it gets to you. You didn't know before this that it exists until someone shared it to you. So it clearly is posted in public. And last element is that it shows that your reputation is harmed. You said that your business losses a lot of money, and then reduced sales and financial difficulties, and it shows that it demonstrates this fourth element. So yeah.
Okay. We see similar situation before this, Ms. Lipa. Some clients believe that they had no case because their name are never mentioned, but they actually have something.
Oh, so you guys have already seen this type of case before?
Yes. However, the court look at overall impressions that has been created by the publications. If ordinary viewers could identify who is the person or the business, they may still be enough. So that's why we will carefully examine your evidence and also the video that you have given to us.
Okay. And more, I just want to share this because I'm the one who take care of my parents. I literally depend on my business. I have a lot of responsibility. How I'm going to handle these all things, I really don't know. I'm seriously, I don't know. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Mr. Park, I understand that this situation is very stressful to you, especially when it affects your main sources of income. However, please don't lose hope. To remind you again, in information you have two types of it, which is the first one is libel. It was defamation in a permanent form, such as videos, social media posts, and also articles. And second one is slander. It happens when the defamation is in temporary form, such as spoken word.
So, in my situation, what type of defamation applied in my case?
From what you say to us just now, your case most likely to involve libel, since your former friend posted on her online platform. The statement that she made will be in permanent form, and because of that, people will keep viewing and sharing, which can cause ongoing damage to your reputation and business.
Oh, it makes much more sense now.
Based on everything you shared, Ms. Ipa, I can see that your situation is involving both contractual issue and also financial difficulty. So at this stage, there are a few practical options that may be available to you.
Before filing the lawsuit, we usually begin with sending letter of demand. So letter of demand is basically a formal way of sending a letter to the other party to publish a public apology, compensate for your losses, and it sometimes dispute can be resolved without going to the court. So if she chooses not to proceed, then we can filing a lawsuit.
Okay. If I take legal action, what the court can do?
If the court decide in your favor, the court may award you general damages to compensate for the damages that has been done to your reputations. And if you can prove that you having a financial difficulty, you can ask for special damages. Besides that, the court may also grant you an injunction, which is to ask an order to require her to stop publishing any similar content or to remove any remaining videos. In some cases, the court may also ask for public apology. As for the option 2, which is lawsuit, if direct negotiation is not successful, we will proceed with mediation. This involves a neutral third party who will help to reach a fair agreement. There's a lot of benefit in mediation, which is the first one, it was less expensive than go to the court, and second one, it faster in resolution, and the third one, it help you to preserve a business relationship.
And I just want to ask, I don't understand the first option. Can you elaborate more? And the letter of demand is basically, I understand the lawsuit. Yeah.
Exactly, Miss Deepa, and thanks for letting me know that you're not quite understand with our explanation. So basically, letter of demand means that you give the other party the opportunity for them to publish an apology, compensate for your losses without going to court proceedings. This way, it will be quicker and less costly, and it also may resolve the dispute amicably. However, if she chooses not to continue or contribute in this, then we can file a civil defamation. So basically, under a legal process, we cannot begin right away with filing a lawsuit because we have to give the other party the opportunity for them to resolve this matter first.
Okay, thank you for explanation. I understand much more better now.
Alright. At this point, Ms. Deepa, I recommend you to consider this option carefully, and there's no need to rush into a decision today. We suggest you to go through your financial situation again and choose the best option that is most realistic for you and decide the direction that you want to take. And once you have done that, you may come back for a follow-up session, and in the next meeting, we will finalize your chosen strategy, begin drafting legal documents, and finding the best direction for your options.
Take your time, Ms. Deepa. When you are ready, we will proceed to the next step together.
Sure, miss.
As for evidence, it is important for you to keep the Instagram videos, screenshot, customer messages, sales before and after the video. And to prove that your product is actually safe, you can bring your laboratory reports or your product approvals if available.
Actually, I got the video. See.
Oh, I see.
Thank you both. Now I understand my situation clearly. I don't want to take revenge on her, but I just want to recover my reputation and my business. And I just want to stop people trusting false information about my business.
That I understand you. The purpose of civil law is to protect your rights and to help to compensate for you for any loss.
Based on everything that you shared to us today, you may have a basis on pursuing defamation claim. We will review your evidence and advise you carefully for the next steps.
I like your firm to represent me.
We'll be happy to assist you. We prepare the necessary documents like letter of demands and evidence with you before taking any further actions.
If the other party posts any new video or contacts you, please keep records and let us know immediately. We also advise you to not respond publicly right now, and as we want to protect your legal position.
Okay, thank you. And I understand. Thank you so much for explaining everything.
You're most welcome, Ms. Deepa. We will work with you throughout this process and inform you at any stage.
Thank you for coming today. We look forward to assisting you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me, Miss Deepa. I hope the consultation was helpful. So here's our firm's business card. It contains our office location, our office phone number, and also our email address. So if you have any other questions or if you want to arrange another meeting or appointment, please don't hesitate to contact us.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
So you're welcome. Let me assist you out.
Okay.
Please allow me to accompany you to the plane. So Ms. Deepa, if you decided to proceed with your case, you may contact us and we will prepare choosing Ainar and Ira's firm. We truly appreciate your trust in our firm. So I wish you have a safe journey home and wish you all the best. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Yeah, Mr. Stipa has left the office safely, so I filed today's consultation notes together with the client information and the documents that she provided. So I've also opened her case file and organized the evidence, including the screenshots, the messages, and also the pictures. So I'll keep all the documents securely. Would you like me to prepare a demand file or draft letter? And also, did TIPA confirm that she will proceed?
I'm pretty sure that Tifa has confirmed that she want to proceed, so please keep all the file and evidence safely and we'll review it before drafting the letter of demand.
Thank you, Isna. Please also contact Miss Nipa when she ready for next appointment.
Okay, so certainly I will take care of it.
Thank you, Isna.